Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you step by step from selecting the right strike price to placing your order in options. Click on the search bar, type your desired index option or stock option. Here I'm taking Reliance for 27 February expiry, call for 1250 strike price. As you can see here, two choices are shown to me. According to my requirement, I am clicking on the first choice as it displays C, which is call option. Click on it, go on buy, insert the number of quantity or lots, price and other details based on your criteria and swipe to buy. Similarly, if you wanted to place a selling order, just click on this B and S tab beside the swipe panel, or you can just go back, click on sell, add all the order details you wish and swipe to sell.